Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to set up 2FA Google Authenticator in Bybit. So if you also want to set up 2FA Google Authenticator in Bybit, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bybit application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Bybit application has been opened. So if you want to add an extra layer of security to your account, you might want to enable 2FA Google Authenticator. In order to do that, first of all, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see your account over here. Also, you'll be able to find several other options. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several settings options over here. You'll be able to find the option for account info, settings, etc. Under the section for account info, at fifth, you'll be able to find the option for security. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several security options over here. You'll be able to find the option for change password, email, mobile, fund password, etc. You'll also be able to find the option for Google 2FA authentication. You can see over here right now it is not turned on. All you have to do is toggle this button right next to the option Google 2FA authentication. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. A verification code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is open the Gmail. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Bybit has sent me an email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the unique security code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the Bybit application. Now enter that code over here. Now after entering the code, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure Google Authenticator application is installed on your phone. After it is installed, what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the key over here. All you have to do is tap on the option copy key that you can see right over here in this interface. Now you'll have to add this key to the Google Authenticator. What you have to do is launch open the Google Authenticator application. Now due to privacy reason, it will not be recorded. So screen will appear black over here, but I'll tell you what to do. In the Google Authenticator application, after you're logged into your account, you'll be able to find the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, simply tap on the option enter setup key. After that, what you have to do is paste the key that we just copied earlier. You can also enter the code name if you want. Simply type in Bybit. After that, what you have to do is tap on the add option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, Bybit will be added to the Google Authenticator. Go back to the Bybit application. Now after you add the key, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now in Google Authenticator, you'll be able to get the code. Go back to the Google Authenticator application. You'll be able to see the code for Bybit over here. All you have to do is memorize this code or copy that code. Now go back to the Bybit application. Now you can see over here Google Authenticator has been set up successfully. You can see over here the Google 2FA authentication has been turned on. So that is how you set up Google 2FA authentication in Bybit. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.